Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing a bunny. And it's a cute bunny that has a scarf and it's holding a carrot, huh? Yeah! So grab a marker or a pencil and draw with us. Alright, let's get started.
Well, is he?
Here. But we make sure there's room for the ears.
Oh, right here?
Uh-huh. We're going to do a nose right there. Oh, cute. And then we're going to do a little line. And then we're going to do two upside down rainbows underneath that line. Cute. Love it. All right, now we're going to do a half circle around the bunny's nose. Just a little one. Cute. And now we're gonna do a rainbow shape.
Why did it go like that?
It's just kind of cute. So we're gonna do two rainbow shapes. Good job. And now we're gonna draw some circles inside of those rainbow shapes for the eyes. Nice and big.
I didn't want to mess up, so I did them all large.
They look very good. And now inside of that, we're going to leave some highlights, but most of it's going to be black. But we're going to leave like 2 dots for a highlight.
It's like 8.
Yeah, it is like an 8. That's right. And then like a crescent moon shape down here. And then you fill that in.
Crescent moon shape. I'm doing very good now.
Mm-hmm.
This looks like a mouth. Now color this one in.
Cool. And now we're going to do the same thing over here. So the crescent moon shape. And then big circle and a little circle, like a 8, like you said.
Yeah.
Cute. And then fill that in.
Oh my, mine is looking cute now.
So dang cute.
Like yours is going to be cute.
Good job. That looks great. Now, now we're gonna do a big rainbow shape to join those two together.
Big rainbow shape.
Good job. And now we're gonna do the ears. So
The ear is supposed to be big and it needs to be curvy.
yep, so a big curvy ear. And then there's another one inside of it. I love it. And now we're going to draw another ear.
What does animals look like when they have only one ear?
Oh, that would be a little weird, huh?
In the middle it looks funny.
That is such a cute bunny.
Thank you.
So bunnies like carrots, right?
Yeah.
So we're first going to draw the carrot before we draw the rest of its body.
Okay.
So this is the green part. Just like that, okay?
Okay. Right here.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Very good. And then we're going to curve the line down and then curve this line down to make a carrot. That's good. And then carrots have lines.
Yeah, but you can't see.
But we're gonna draw it like that. All right, and then the bunny is holding a carrot with, it's like a half,
Right here?
yeah, like with just a little arm. It's like a half oval. Very good. And then we're gonna do one on the other side too. So it looks like she's holding the carrot. Cute. All right. And now,
Don't forget eyelashes. She's a girl.
oh, okay, let's do eyelashes. Very cute. I love it.
She looks pretty.
She does look pretty. So I'm going to have her wearing a scarf. So I'm going to draw the scarf right here. Like this. It just goes right above her arms like that. Mm-hmm. Very good. Yep, and then whatever's left between, you join up to finish off her face. Cute. I love it. All right, and then we're going to draw the side of her body here.
Side right here?
From the scarf.
From here?
Yep. Mm-hmm. And then from right there.
From here?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Yep, from the scarf. Cute. All right. And then we're going to draw some little feet. Like this. Yes.
You can draw it like balls if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Right here?
Yep. And then you can join them together.
Or you can draw it like an oval.
Yeah, an oval or a ball. Either one. And then you just join it together on the
Right
bottom.
here?
Mm-hmm.
All the way across.
Uh-huh. And then I'm going to draw a little circle for her belly. Half circle, I should say. Start from right under the arm. Yeah. Very good. All right. And then the side of her scarf, you just go like that. It kind of looks like a curvy line. And then a straight line over from right here.
No, right here.
No, you don't need to draw another one. Yeah, you can just do that one. And yep, perfect. All right, so that's her scarf. And then the only thing you need to draw is a little bunny tail. Like that.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Cute. All right, now we can color it.
Yeah.
Oh, do bunnies have whiskers?
Yeah.
Should we draw a few whiskers? Just thin ones off to the side. Oh, they're cute. And you can also draw some blush on your side. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Cute. All right, we're ready to color it now.
Yeah.
All right, good job.
And
Ari.
her scarf is purple.
Yep. Okay, let's turn it to time lapse.
Yeah, time lapse.
All right, I love how your bunny turned out. It is so cute. We hope you had as much fun drawing your bunny as we did, and I'd love to see how they turn out. So send a picture of them to me on Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.